Welcome again to my channel Sagittarian Art by Tamanna. First of all, I apologize because I have been inactive for a while and I know you all are waiting for my artwork eagerly. So here I am back with another beginner painting tutorial video. I will share you the reason of my inconsistent in between my videos. But before that, let's start our painting without a further delay. Firstly, I water wash my painting sheet. Here I have taken light blue acrylic color. Shade number is 335 and Persian blue shade number is 351. Blend them properly to get a perfect finish. You can reapply the shade until you find yourself satisfied with the outcome. Now let's paint the ground. To make this shade, I have mixed sap green color and yellow color in 2:1. And again I am blending everything properly with another brush. Now I am making the grass using the brush technique. For this you have to keep two things in mind. Firstly, the brush should not be much wet. And secondly, we are gonna use this technique using downward to upward motion from below to above, like this. Now let's paint the clouds part using white color. Now keep watching the whole process till end. Now let's make the flowers. You don't have to be so precise while making it. You can randomly use a brush and let the imagination and let your everything put into your painting. Just have fun. I think I haven't painted anything in June. So here is the reason of my inconsistency. There are two reasons. First one is my exams are on peak, so I didn't got any time to paint. And my second reason is art block. I was facing a big art block. It's been a month, so the time gap was long. Art block is something like you want to paint something but you got no idea what to paint or how to break the pattern. But today I decided that I have to paint something, at least anything I have to start doing something. So I take the sheet, I take a deep breath and I just started randomly to paint anything. And in this process I am so indulged that finally I am out of that pattern. So this is the video that took me out of that pattern and I am so grateful of that. Because in the process of making this painting I feel so blessed and so good that I don't know where is the end of this process and how this painting came out, but I am enjoying the process. I hope you also enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed painting it. It's almost done. I hope you like this beginner painting tutorial. I have shared handful of beginner painting tutorial video on my YouTube channel, so do watch them and do try them also. And if you recreate any of my painting, then you can tag me on my Instagram handle secretarian.art. Tada! Our painting is done. And here comes the most satisfying part of any painting, that is removing the masking tape. Isn't it so satisfying? So if you enjoyed the whole process and if you like my painting, then do subscribe to my channel. Share my video with your family, friends, relatives and also kids in your family. And do recreate my paintings and tag me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.